Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Breast reconstruction. In the breast reconstruction, we have different implants are used for breast reconstruction. First, we can use autogenous implants, that is the implants from our own body, like transverse rectus abdominis flap is most commonly used implant for the breast. Latissimus dorsi flap can be used with gluteal flap. Reuben flap can be used, or thoracoepigastric flap can be used, and lateral thigh flap. Among all these, the most commonly used flap is tram or transverse rectus abdominis muscle flap. Then sometimes we can also use alloplastic implants. These alloplastic implants are actually artificial implants. The alloplastic implants include, we have silicone gel implant, and we have silicone implant with saline refill, or we also have combined implants like we have latissimus dorsi flap with implant, or transverse rectus abdominis muscle flap with implant is also seen.
thank you and thank you for watching.